Dear students, see the next one from 11th standard, Motion in a Straight Line chapter, NCERT exercise problem number 3.19. Okay, it is one interesting, there is a graphical representation question. Now we are going to analyze and then we are going to discuss some situation. Okay, so according to our experience, okay, now you can say this graphical diagram is represent in what situation or what events and something or some example. So graphical diagram is given, so you want to give some example, okay, related with this diagram. Okay, so we give. Okay, see that how it is interesting. See the question. Suggest a suitable physical situation. See that suitable physical situation for each of the following graph. Okay, your graph கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Now you want to give the perfect example. That is a mean. Okay, so the graph is represent is what. So in the lower standard you study, or otherwise you know very thing. For example, it is a time. Okay, it is a position. Now, what is the meaning of this graph? The object is still it is rest position. There is a meaning. Now the time is start 0 for 5 minutes. Still it is rest only. So that means already some distance from the origin. For this is the origin. From origin to here, for example, 20 centimeter. Okay, so 20 centimeter. So 5 minutes, 20 centimeter only. Then 10 minutes, 20 centimeter. 15 minutes, 20 centimeter. So what is the meaning? So the object is what? A rest position. Okay. So like that. So here some graph is given. So that the graph value now you should be compared. So that how it will be compared. Shall we discuss? Yes. See that. Now, let's take the first graph. The first graph is between the position and the time. Okay, x is the position and the time. So position, and here you know it is the time. Okay, see that it is the blue color is the graph line, black color is the axis. Okay, so listen. Here you know it is a 0. So initially the position, I mean the time is increasing, but object is not moving. Time is increasing, but object is not moving. Okay. Then after that, it is gradually increasing in some direction. Okay, the position is changing in forward direction. Then again it will come back in the reverse direction. Okay. Then again it will be overcome the initial position. Then become rest something. Okay. So I think this perfect example better we can say the carom coin. Okay, you know that carom coin. For example, it is a carom board. It is a carom board. Okay, it is that 4 inches. Okay, for example, here one coin is there. Here one coin. Okay. Now this coin is still rest position. Rest, still rest position. Now I apply the force. Okay. So what happened? It is moving in the forward direction. So time is increasing, the position also changing. Time is increasing, the position also changing. The time is increasing, the position also changing. After that, the distance is reducing. What happened? So maybe after hit this wall, so it will be come back side. So now the coin is hit the wall After that, so this is initial position. Okay, after that it will be come back, the position is reducing, then here it is reached the initial position. After that, crossing the backward direction. Okay, maybe after that it is going to take rest. The same thing. So the graph A is perfect example for carom coin movement. Okay, you understand? I hope. Okay, so we'll go to the next one. See the next one. Okay, listen. The next one there is a graph between the velocity and time factor. Velocity and time factor. Okay, then how we can approach this question? Okay, it is interesting only. Listen. See that for your convenience, the same diagram. Okay, listen. So actually the graph is given as okay. Excuse me. It is a time. Okay. Yes, now okay. So like that the graph is given. So in this graph, now okay. Right. So now we want to analyze the graphical representation. Okay, see there. Here there is a relationship between the velocity and the time. Okay. So now here if you observe that something, the velocity is reducing, again reducing like that. Okay. So if you focus that for your understanding purpose, I'll draw one more thing. Actually that is actually present in the graph, but it is hidden. Okay, listen, see that. Okay, so the velocity is reducing, again increasing. Velocity reducing, increasing. Velocity reducing, increasing. Reducing, increasing. This is perfect example for, let's take one ball. Okay, I hit the ball in the downward direction through the ground. Okay, it is more elastic for, let us imagine. So it will be rebound back. So while moving downward direction, velocity is what? Increasing. Then while moving upward direction, velocity is reducing. Okay, upward direction, velocity reducing. Again moving downward direction, velocity increasing. Okay, again upward direction, velocity reducing. Increasing, reducing, increasing, reducing, increasing, reducing. But you should focus here with respect to time. This velocity is gradually, upward velocity or even that downward velocity gradually reducing with respect to time. Because just you throw the ball or hit the ball to the down. What happened? So first it will move after hitting this much height. Again height reducing, zero. The same thing only. So with respect to time, the velocity is reducing. Understand? I hope. Okay. So this is best example for the hitting ball to the ground. Okay. So do next one. Okay. See the next one. there is a graph between acceleration and time. See this blue line. The time value changing, there is nothing acceleration. They suddenly accelerate and then acceleration is reducing. Suddenly increasing, see that this is the acceleration. Acceleration suddenly peak point. Suddenly peak point. Okay. So it's a best example. Anything with a sudden collision. Okay, sudden collision. Say for example, the one vehicle. You observe many videos and WhatsApp video on something. Okay, for awareness purpose. Okay, for awareness purpose they give. So I saw one video. One two-wheeler. It is like some scooty. Okay. Okay. This some scooty like that. Okay. So in this scooty, the mother and the daughter, one small baby. Okay. They came by the scooter. The mother went to ATM machine center. Okay. Mother is now in ATM center. But the daughter is just standing in the vehicle. But water pathology means here, she didn't off the bike. Okay. She didn't off the bike. Acceleration is there, but it's not accelerating. Vehicle is on condition, time is going, it is accelerating. No acceleration, but the vehicle is on condition only. That baby, suddenly the baby raised the accelerator. So it is rest. Suddenly she accelerate, get peak point. Then in that near one tea stop is there. Okay, so the bike immediately it gets to peak point to the tea stop. It is very well this video, maybe. Okay, so it's a sudden changes. So this graph is represent the sudden changes, especially for the acceleration, sudden acceleration. Okay, so the first one, carrom ball coin. Then here the ball is rebounds from the ground. Then this one, sudden accelerated particles, sudden changes. Okay, thank you.